Get out of there. So we're trying to get a thumbnail.
How do I even get in here? Where am I supposed to stand after I'm under?
In the
There's a
big hole.
bar here.
Yeah, you gotta fit between it. Don't touch that.
Don't touch what?
No, it's fine. You're really struggling.
Well, there's all these things in the way, and it's dirty and gross. I don't think I really fit.
Lift with your legs. Watch your head. No, left. Oh yeah, you're good. You gotta sneak up towards me.
How?
That's pokey.
There's things. Ow!
Oh yeah, that's hanging down.
This is ridiculous.
I haven't attached it yet. It's a pain getting in there. Don't knock that over. You look good in there though. I'll make big block noises.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay.
You got dirt over your boob there.
I can't even stand up straight.
Good for your posture.
Hello there.
Hello.
No, you're supposed to say General Kenobi. That's how it goes.
Oh, that's Star Trek guy.
It's not Star Trek! Oi, Cavolt. If you know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comments, because I know you know what I'm talking about. What you doing?
Trying to remember how this went together.
Ladies and gents, that is why you take a photo of your process. So you can somewhat match it back?
But for some reason it was assembled, I took it apart differently, I think.
Like different than how you should have taken it apart? What do you mean?
Hang on, right in the middle of thought here.
Oh, is me not talking to you helping your thought? I think we can determine from the no reply that me being here right now is interrupting the thought. So, ooh, look, a drawer. Ooh, these all look decently organized, but I guess that's just because they're in their original boxes.
Should I got a job for you once I'm done with the break?
No, I don't want to do whatever it is.
You always say that, and I always get my way.
What is it?
You got a packet bearing with grease.
That sounds yucky.
Grease. It is yucky. Yeah, that's right.
So I don't want to do that. Can I do it right now while I'm out here?
I need 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
My brain is...
Okay, well then you have exactly 7 minutes from this moment. And if it's not ready to go in 7 minutes, then I'll wait.
That's right.
It's ready. So I guess I'll see you guys in 7 minutes. Isn't that a thing? 7 minutes in heaven? Right? Isn't that what people did at high school parties? Maybe? I don't know. Such thought, such thinking. Wow. Yeah, we're going to leave it there, friends. We're going to leave it there. What'd you do?
Hurt my old man hip.
Doing what?
Being old, I guess.
Oh.
No. Stupid dodge.
It'd probably help if you stopped dropping everything.
This is quite a ordeal, I gotta say.
I like how it's new around and rust inside.
New around.
Well, like, you got new whatevers, and then...
New whatevers. Got a bunch of new things. Brand new springs, brand new shoes, master. Or wheel cylinder, sorry. Ordered these go on in. So many parts.
So many parts. Oh, that's a handy little tool.
Yeah, it's actually MERS.
Of course it's MERS.
I keep saying I was going to give it back to him.
Don't think you're gonna.
Well, I've worn the engraving right off. It says MM. Marvelous Myrrh! Not today, Myrrh. Not today. It's like a Snap-on one and everything. It's like...
That's fancy.
Real nice.
You really should give that back.
No, those are the ones you steal.
Oh, I understand.
Good parts are the ones you take for yourself.
Gotcha. Mer will probably find another one at a garage sale.
Mer will understand. And really...
It's for the cause.
There's a lot of stuff in here that's MERS. Like the engine crane is MERS.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously, that's MERS? And you've just never given it back?
Yeah.
Mer, how do you feel about this? I'll have to ask him next time I see him.
He always used to make fun of me about it. And I said, oh, you can have it back anytime you want. But then he knows he'll have to help me load it every time I want to borrow it. I always use it like 3-4 times a year. I think he's used it like twice.
In his life?
Yeah, since he got it on sale or whatever the deal was. That's the wrong tool.
Aren't you scared they're gonna fly off and hit you in the face?
They usually don't hit me in the face. I put it in your spraying.
Do they hit you in the...
Spraying?
In the...
Jump?
Yeah.
No. Well... I don't want to say never happened.
Remember when the dog smoked you with their tail the other day?
Every day of my life. Where? How do I...
What have you lost?
A spring.
Is it any of these?
No, it's a brand new one. Brand new black
Oh,
one.
none of those are brand new looking. Are they in the bag of springs?
No, I think I took it out. I took it out to use it.
And instead, you just lose it. Did you hear that rhyme? That's pretty good.
I realize I'm not organized and all, but this is madness.
I see it. I'm not gonna wait for you to see it.
How do they roll so far?
Can I do one?
If you want.
Is it hard?
No, you gotta kind of commit. I'll put it on and I'll take it off and show you how to do it. So, this thing's got a little hook in it, you see?
Uh-huh.
So you want to have this on that little circle.
Uh-huh.
So all you do is you want to have it, so you're through the spring like that and you're on the thing, right?
Uh-huh.
And you just kind of lever it over.
Oh. That looks fun.
Are you gonna make this happen?
Yeah, but I'm very scared it's gonna fly off and hit me in the face.
There's a chance.
Can you do
Sweet
this?
camera mount. Where'd you get that from? This is what I was asking for the other day and you said you couldn't find them.
I know, I took that from your tripod just now.
I'll kill you.
You will. Okay, what do I do?
No, not even
do
close.
this first.
Yep, through there.
What do you mean not even close? I was close. Oh, God.
Right, hang on. Yeah, we just...
Yeah, I'm gonna do this.
You gotta go... Oh man, I'm scared.
Oh,
You gotta go at the same angle of the spring, kinda. So you're like at a...
How do I do
I
that?
don't know, perpendicular.
Like
You're also
that?
really blocking my shot. I was trying to film there.
Oh, oops, that's my knee. Where? How do I put this back in? I'm really gumming up the works today.
You really just... Okay.
Okay. Okay, like that.
You don't gotta pull on it until it's... There you
Oh, I get it.
go. Get it there, and now crank it.
Oh God. Oh God.
You're falling off. No.
Okay.
Jeez.
No, I got it. I got it. I'm gonna do it. I
I
got
feel
it.
like we need safety glasses and a Kevlar. No, you're not. You're not on it. hang on. Okay.
Look there.
Yeah, just like that. No, you gotta. Jeez. You gotta crank it like at like the same. See how the spring is at an angle? You want to like lever it so it's the exact
Okay.
same as the spring.
Like-
Man, keep your hand away from it so you don't lose a pretty finger.
Like that.
There you go. At that angle. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Oh my God. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, crank that sucker around. Okay. Holy. Maybe I'll just go ahead and take this. And show something to the ER nurse when they ask what happened.
I did it! Okay, so springs aren't for me, I guess.
Spring.
It wasn't that scary, was it?
I think that's right.
Was that scary at home? I'm sure it was fine. Right?
Alright, so Danielle stepped in.
You're welcome.
So if you want to go watch that debacle.
It was not a debacle.
It was a little scary. But she's on, she's ready to go. She's going to go pack that bearing real quick. We're going to slap the hub back on, put the wheel on, push it in the creek, and we're done for the night.
Do you promise?
Promise what?
That we're done for the night?
Well, I'm hungry. I'm not really feeling it. I want to put it in. Actually, we got to get a thumbnail where you're sitting in the car or in the. We can do it another day, I guess.
We can do it tonight. That's
I
fine.
want to clean up a little bit. So many parts.
So many parts. I was showing them the Rock Auto hallway. We gotta start getting plaques for everything. So there'll be the Amazon couch, the Rock Auto hallway. You know how places can buy buy a bench and stuff for like a certain amount of donation? I feel like that's what we're gonna need to start doing with like the hallways and the Amazon couch. So you can sponsor you can sponsor a hallway or an Amazon couch, and we'll put your name on a little plaque. Could you imagine? Alright, so I'm going to, I'm packing a bearing.
That's it.
Packing a bearing with grease. Here we go. Okay. Where are the gloves?
I do everything around you.
I thought you asked me if I wanted some and I said yes. So I assumed that meant that you were going to bring them to me. Wait, there's only one.
Through two.
Where? I found it. I got it. Alright. The doctor is in.
Hang on.
Look.
You literally stole my tripod.
Camera reception.
Stole.
Is it stealing if it's right here? I'm just using it instead of you.
You have the tripod and my thing, and I put my camera in a vise.
I mean, ingenuity.
Whoops. Okay, I only have 9% of my battery, so you're going to have to go fast on this so I can go charge mine. I just turned it off.
I don't think I can go fast.
Well, you got 9% to do it.
Okay, well what do I do?
Alright, battery's dying. We're going to try and make this happen with Danny. So grab a scoop of grease.
How much is a scoop?
More than that.
So chunk.
That's good. I'm going to put that on the palm of your left hand.
Gross.
Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to move this hand. So you take the bearing. You're going to want to kind of, so you're kind of gooshing the grease
Okay.
up in the bottom of it, right?
Okay.
So you kind of just get it a little bit and come down with it.
Okay.
Let's do this a little bit. And you see how it's starting to come out the top?
Uh-huh. That's what I want to happen.
So now you do that, then you spin it a little bit, and keep doing it. More of an angle. There you go. Gooshy, gooshy.
Gooshing it.
Go in the pile of grease, though.
This is gross.
What are you doing? Are you still on your palm even? Or your hand?
Yeah. Look, it's gooshing. Look, I have evidence of goosh. See? Goosh. It's all just coming out.
You probably need more grease now. To get, let's go down there. Let's get another speckle of grease.
Okay.
That's Wendy's original grease.
Oh.
Never frozen, always fresh.
Always fresh. Oh god, this is... Uh-oh.
That's fine. Keep going till it's all pushed through. No, jeez, why?
I got turned around.
What happened to all the grease you had in your hand?
I don't know. It's on the back.
Need another tutorial here?
No, I got it.
You're not accomplishing anything, I don't think, at this point.
I am.
You need to put that pile of grease on your hand, on your left hand.
Oh, see, look, it came through the top there. I just have a different technique. That's all.
No, as long as it's full of grease, that's all that really matters.
See? Look, it's gooshing. We got goosh.
Oh, crap's out in Alberta on a road trip. It's on you. That's a genuine Made in America bearing, too. Did it come the whole way through, the whole way around?
Almost.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I got
I don't
it.
know if it's Steve Dulcich approved, but...
See? Look. Greased. Greased. Greased.
Sweet.
This is gross.
Pluck it in here.
Wow.
Skinny side down.
What side's skinny?
Well, the side's not thick. See, it's tapered.
So this side?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Bam!
What do I do? Sure seems like you waste a lot of product this way.
Actually, get another scoop there. We'll put some in the thing while you're at it. Oh, it's whatever. Just jam it.
Is that too much?
Yeah, whatever. Perfect.
You know, I think we're gonna leave it there. So, my apologies, and we are a family-friendly show.
Sexual or educational, but something happened.
Alright, well that's it for that. I have greased a bearing, I've done a spring, my work here is done. Take that, millennial, or I guess zillennials. Gen Z, I've gone back to the side part, so, Anyways, that's all. Okay, catch you later. Bye.